Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. In this short tutorial, I'll quickly show you how to use dual WhatsApp on your Itel A200 Plus device. Just follow the steps shown in this video to set up two WhatsApp accounts on your phone. If this video helps you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get started.